Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm back to do a little bit update. Um, tonight, nationwide meet. Gonna be a big event going on tonight. I'm gonna be down there. Hopefully recording to you guys on this phone if I can. Yeah. So. You want to see everybody who's gonna be down there. I know I will. My brother, River will, and our friend will be tonight. So yeah, keep your eye out for the video coming up when it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen soon. Yeah, they want to keep you guys going on tonight. I want to go back to work here in a little bit. I gotta go back at 5. So yeah, I got everything I need tonight. I got drinks. Yeah, so I got drinks. Got drinks tonight. Yeah, so maybe a fun night. I'm gonna be there. Yeah, a lot of people are gonna be there. We're gonna be about estimate about 2,000, I think. I told you I don't have to work until 5. I don't have to work. Not until 5. So yeah, to keep your eye out for that. Sorry if I had to do that. I was talking to one of my coworkers. She came on telling me to get to work. I told her I'm not on the clock yet. I can't do that yet. Yeah, so you keep your eye out for the coming video after I upload one. It's gonna be a couple hours, so yeah, keep your eye out for that. And I hope you liked the video. Leave a like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so we'll do this. It's gonna be a big night. A lot of people, and we're gonna have fun. So you know about having fun tonight. Come on, so yeah, we gotta do this, guys. We got to. I gotta let you go. I will see you in a little bit. Peace. Keep it positive. So later.